wondered if a higher watt charger could charge your AirPods faster or even damage them? Great question. In this video, I'm going to explain it simply and logically so you'll know the best charger for your AirPods case and how to avoid mistakes that could slow or stop the charging process. Let's get started. First things first, what's the recommended wattage? Apple doesn't officially state an exact watt requirement for charging AirPods, but here's the key. AirPods are designed to charge at 5 watts. That means any standard 5-watt USB charger, like the small square Apple charger that used to come with iPhones, will do the job perfectly. But here's something cool with the second thing. Can you use a higher watt charger, like a 20-watt or even 30-watt? Yes, you can. AirPods will only draw as much power as they need, so even if you plug them into a 20 or 30-watt charger, they'll still only take in around 5 watts. It's completely safe. There's no overcharging risk because the charging circuit inside the AirPods case controls the flow. That said, charging won't be noticeably faster with the high-watt charger since the AirPods don't support fast charging the way iPhones or iPads do. Now, for next big and important thing, what to avoid. Very old or cheap third-party chargers can be inconsistent or even damage the battery over time. Avoid high-watt laptop chargers that aren't USB-C PD compliant. Some may cause overheating or charging glitches. Also, don't charge your AirPods through a damaged cable or adapter, as that can interrupt charging or slow it down. And lastly, let's talk about wireless charging. If you have a wireless charging case, you can use a key-certified wireless charger. These typically charge at 2 to 5 watt, which is perfectly safe and ideal for AirPods. Just remember, wireless charging is usually slower than wired charging, but it's more convenient, especially when you're not in a hurry. Alright, I hope this cleared things up for you. If it did, smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more easy tech tips. Drop a comment below and let me know what charger you're using for your AirPods. Thanks for watching. Happy charging.